This quick and easy cowl is simple and you'll have it knitted up in no time at all. I've loved doing this pattern. It comprises 4 rows. It's a simple knit, a purl, and on the 3rd row is your easy pattern. What I like is that the ends actually roll, so it gives it a very unique look. Using size 10 needles and a super chunky 20 ply wool, you'll have this knitted up in no time at all. Cast on 74 stitches and knit for 29 centimetres or 40 rows. And then you simply sew the edges together and it's ready to wear. This has been a divine project and I've loved every minute of it. Row number 1 of our 4 row pattern is a knit. Knit all the way to the end. Row number 2 is a purl row. Purl all the way to the end. Row number 3, start with knitting 2 stitches. And now we start the pattern. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and towards you. Knit 2. Knit 1, knit 2. And that completes the pattern for row number 3. Continue all the way to the end. Row number 4 is a purl row. And this is our last row for the pattern. Purl all the way to the end. Once you have the desired length, around 29 centimetres, it's time to cast off. I always make sure that I'm casting off on the right side of your knitting. And there are many methods for casting off, and this one I find the easiest and the quickest. With your project on the inside, it's now time to sew it together. Gently pick up a couple of stitches and sew together. Turn your piece of work inside out. There you have it. The most divine cowl. It looks amazing. I love the detail and I particularly love the curling of the ends. It makes it look so unique. Oh, perfect. I'm going to put it on now.